Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. Now today's video is going to be a continuation of our Q&A. If you watched last week, I had the first part of the Q&A up on my channel. If you haven't watched it, go check here, go and watch it, okay, before you come back to this one. But it's just going to be me answering the remainder of your questions from the question community tab here on YouTube. We have a lot of questions to answer, guys, so let's just get right into this video real quick. First one here is my question: what was your parents and siblings reactions when you told them about your husband being from a different state, culture and tribe? My mom's first reaction, if I'm being honest, my mom's first reaction was all the way to Benue State. That was her first reaction. My dad couldn't really care less, but my mom was like, all the way to Benue, it's too far now. Yeah, that was her reaction. But my siblings and my dad didn't have an issue at all with me marrying from Benue State or anything like that. Okay, so this is like 4 questions in one comment. Have you ever met someone that you regretted meeting? Have I ever met someone that I regretted meeting? I think yes, once or twice. Maybe when I was single, maybe 1 or 2 single guys that showed me pepe back then. But yeah, I have met someone and I have regretted meeting. I don't remember like right now, but I know that there are 1 or 2 guys that probably showed me pepe back then. What do you hate most in life and what is your greatest fear in life? That's like a 2-in-1 question. So what I hate most in life and what is my greatest fear is failing. I've said this before, I hate failure and I'm so scared of failure. So I think those 2 literally answer that question. Okay, what character, behaviors or action can make you disconnect yourself from someone or even hate the person? What character, behaviors or actions can make me hate someone or stay away from somebody? I feel like hate is a very strong word when it comes to, relating with other human beings. So I would say what will make me stay away from somebody, like behavioral kini, is somebody who doesn't have prospects, who doesn't have goals in life, who is just living life as it is coming, just living every day as it comes, no plans, no goals, no ambition, no nothing. I find it very hard to rapport with people who don't have something going for them. Do you get what I mean? 2 would probably be, for behavioral reasons, obviously somebody who is just very loud. I know I can be I can be kind of loud, okay, but you guys know the kind of loudness I'm talking about, okay? Somebody who is loud, somebody who can be vain. There's a thin line between loving yourself and being vain. So people who are extremely vain, I can't have something to do with you. That's it, in terms of friendship or whatever. But yeah, vain people and people who don't have any future ambition. That's it. What are the positives and negative things that marriage has taught you? Positive things that marriage has taught me is everybody needs a companion. No matter how much you love being with yourself, oh, me, I feel like no man is an island. Everybody needs a companion. And then one negative thing that marriage has taught me, negative marriage has taught me, can't really say in terms of negative, I'll just say lessons that marriage has taught me. Have your own as a woman is very important, and have your me time, have time for yourself, it's very important. Averagely, how much do you make from all your sources of income in a month? That's a tough one because being a content creator, your income is not steady. Some months you get so many brand jobs, your YouTube is booming. Some months maybe you get just 1 or 2 brand jobs and your YouTube is just doing like this. So it all depends, but averagely in a month, wow, that's really hard, to be honest. If I say a figure now, it's going to be a very wide margin, Alma, first of all, I love you too. Please, I want to know the brokerage firm you opened your brokerage account with regarding forex trading. I don't do forex trading. I have not opened any brokerage account with any brokerage firm before. I don't know if I've ever said that here on my channel before, but maybe you did not hear right. I don't do forex and all of that. How to attract brands to your channel and how to charge. Also, do you reach out to brands to work with you when you first started? How I attract brands is that I just keep working. I feel like more brands come when they see you working with other brands. When they see what you're doing for other brands, more brands come. But I feel like even if you don't have any brand that you're working with at the moment, just keep putting out good quality content out there and you just might attract a brand. With regards to asking brands to work with me when I first started, to be honest, I think I only reached out to brands once or twice, and even the brands I reached out to did not answer, did not reply me. All the brands I work with or I've ever worked with are brands that reached out to me on their own. So yeah, that is it. Quality content will speak for you and consistency will speak for you. That's it. No question but showing appreciation for your fantastic work of creating content and always bringing quality. Thank you so much. I enjoy your vlogs and your personality is top notch. Well done. It was lovely seeing Momsy the other day. Blessings to you and family. My pleasure. Thank you so much. Not a question as well, but an appreciation. I love your vlogs and personality. You keep me going in these streets as a small YouTuber. Love from Kenya. Mwah. Thank you so much. Oh God, I really want to come to Kenya. We'll see, Sha. We'll see. I love watching your videos. They are interesting. My question is, when are you going to do a makeup tutorial? Because I love your makeup. Thank you so much. I think I've answered this before in one other Q&A. I don't do like straight direct makeup tutorials on YouTube because those videos don't do well. To be honest, we've passed the stage of beauty tutorial videos doing well on YouTube. So what I usually would do is to incorporate it in a get ready with me or while I am getting ready in a vlog or something. So yeah, but look out for maybe one of my next vlogs. I just might do my makeup on camera. Okay, you look beautiful, ma. I enjoy your videos and vlogs in general. I want to know how and why you are so well spoken. I think I answered this in my last Q&A. I guess it's just upbringing and maybe the schools I attended, but majorly upbringing. Hello beautiful Alma, thank you for bringing Momsy back to the channel. I really miss hearing her talk. God bless her for being such a great mother to Wendy and you all. Thank you so much. My question is, what triggered you to start YouTube, and were you not afraid of bringing your life to public, knowing how wicked people are, like kidnapping, thieves and the rest? My regards to Princess Mia. What made me start YouTube wasn't sharing my life. I didn't start my YouTube by sharing vlogs and sharing my life. I started my YouTube by doing makeup tutorials. Okay, that was when I still had a blog. So on my blog I would share fashion and I would share beauty, and I decided to open a YouTube channel just so I can be doing my beauty tutorials on YouTube as videos. I only started vlogging in 2018 January when it dawned on me that I can actually do more than just beauty, and I just felt like there was more to me than beauty tutorials on YouTube, and that was what prompted me to begin to vlog. And no, I am not scared of kidnappers or thieves and all of that, because one, I'm a child of God. Two, there are certain things I keep private, even though my life in quotes is here on YouTube, but there are certain things I keep private, like where I stay, what school my child goes to, you know, where I'm going. Most times I upload videos like days after I have gone to such places, so I cannot upload a vlog in real time, maybe at a restaurant, and you know, I'm actually there at that particular time. So I would upload vlogs days, sometimes even a week after I went somewhere. Do you get what I mean? So yeah, we just try to be careful and keep certain things private. That's it. And then God also being protector of all. All right, no questions. Just want to let you know that I enjoy watching your vlogs. You are my fave. Thank you so much. No questions since I'm still new, but I'm loving your content. Keep it up, beautiful. Thank you so much. Hi beautiful Alma, my question once again is, what motivated you to start a YouTube channel? Like I said before just now, tutorials. I was blogging and then decided to make my tutorials on my blog become videos. Okay, what was your husband's, siblings and parents reaction when you told them that you were starting a YouTube channel? I didn't tell anybody I was starting a YouTube channel. I think it was just my husband that knew, because I had just gotten married, and of course he supported me like this. But my parents and my siblings only knew after I had started my YouTube channel. Okay, I didn't take permission from anybody before pursuing my dreams. Do you get my point? What is your advice to anyone going through tough time now it will pass. This too shall pass. What can make you leave your marriage? In brackets, God forbid. What can make me leave my marriage? See, I feel like I don't know until it happens. So I'll just pass this question because I don't know until it happens. Okay. Will you cheat back if your husband cheated first? And no, I will not. Okay. God's in here because of Grandma and Wendy. I love you all so much, and we love you too. Thank you so much. Hi Alma, what camera do you use for your sit down videos and for vlogging? I use the Canon 80D for my sit down videos like right now, and I use the Canon G7X Mark II for vlogging. What editing app do you use to edit videos on your laptop? I use iMovie. That's what I use. Do you ever film with your phone? Yes, I film with my phone when I'm on the go and my vlogging camera battery dies and I don't have a spare. I go for my phone, or when I want to film reels when I'm outside, I use my phone. What is your opinion on tribalism, and do you have any tribe that you specifically like or hate? No, I don't have any tribe that I specifically like or hate. I feel like we are all one. Okay, one Nigeria, everybody is the same as far as I'm concerned. And no, I don't have an opinion on tribalism. I feel like tribalism is a cake. I mean, our generation for one has shown us that. Heck, I'm from Asaba Delta State and I married a man from Benue State. Hi Alma, hope you're good. My questions: what are your fears? I've said that before. The fear of failure. What has been your most embarrassing moment? I've said that before in one of my videos. If I find it, I'll leave it linked up here. I told 2 tales about my most embarrassing moments. What are some of the childhood memories you have had? Plenty, plenty, including the time that I almost had my brother killed. I've even given that video as a story time before. Again, it will be up here. But there was a particular time when, you know, I did something that would have led to my brother dying, and that was a very scary time as a child. What motivates you to work hard, and what is the most spontaneous thing you have ever done lately? What motivates me to work hard is money and giving my child the best life that she can ever have. Okay, that is what motivates me. Most spontaneous thing I've ever done lately. Most spontaneous thing. See, I'm not very spontaneous like that too, so I would pass on that question because I can't recall right now anything spontaneous I have done lately. When I was in my single days, I have taken trips to go and see man. That was spontaneous, but for now, nothing really. Alma, when next will you do a meet and greet? My next meet and greet, like I said, will be in Lagos. I haven't started planning it, to be honest. I just have been chilling and still recovering from the last one, but there will definitely be another meet and greet this year, that's for sure, and it's going to be in Lagos. That's the plan, at least. So yeah. Fish or chicken? Fish or chicken? Most times I opt for chicken, but then I have my fish moments too. You get. Hi, does Mia have native names? Yes, Mia has native names. Mia's Tiv name is Mimi Do. That's her Tiv name. And then she has 2 Igbo names, one from my dad, one from my mom. My dad gave her Mako Chineke, or Mako Chukwu, anyone you want to call it. And then my mom gave her Chukwu Azame Pele. You guys always see me call her that sometimes, or hear me call her that sometimes. But yes, Chukwu Azame Pele, Zamzam, from her grandmother. Okay. Hi Alma, no question. Just want to let you know I love you and your beautiful family. Thank you so much. We love you too. Good evening, sis. I love your content. You are really doing a great job. Thank you so much. I didn't know it's very difficult to grow a channel. Like very, very difficult. So my question is, how were you able to grow your channel when you started? For the longest time, my channel was stagnant because I was doing beauty makeup videos that nobody really cared about. I feel like my channel started to grow when I began vlogging. Okay, that was when my channel picked up. It was just a miracle that people even find my life interesting, but it worked for me. That was it. Greetings to your mom. I am her age mate. And how is your brother and the wife? Oh, thank you so much, ma'am. They are doing amazing. They are doing great. Charlie and Latoya are doing great. Hey Alma, love your channel. I am 23 years old presently. Do you think it is okay to consider dating or marrying somebody who is 10 years older than me? I'm not looking to get married right now, but I'm kind of curious. Please, I need your genuine opinion. Okay, so if you're 23 years old, it means that anybody who is 10 years older than you is like 33 years old. If you are 23, I don't think there's anything wrong with that. I know people who have gotten married at 24 to people who are like 10 years older. And I feel like a man who is 33 years old or 34 years old and you are 23 years old, it's not that bad. You are no longer a child, so I feel like it's not bad at all. That is my genuine opinion. Okay, it's not that bad. Once again, when is your next meet and greet? It's coming, guys, months from now, because I have not even begun planning anything, but it's coming. Okay, and it's going to be in Lagos. So if you're in Lagos, yay, it's coming. Have you been able to maintain your YouTube earnings? I stopped maintaining my YouTube earnings after I went on my hiatus after Christmas. My revenue took a nosedive, and I'm still trying to get it back to where it was before Vlogmas and all of that, but I can't complain still. No money is small money, right? So I can't complain. But yeah, I'm still struggling to maintain, you know, what I was earning for the bulk part of last year. I'm still struggling to get it back to that, but so far so good. I have no question. Keep on shining, sister. Mwah. No question. I love your vlogs and your beautiful personality. You are my favorite YouTuber, and I want you to please guide me as a young YouTuber. Thanks. How many people am I gonna guide, baby? I love you so much, and I feel so proud to be your favorite YouTuber. Shoot me a DM, ask me anything you want to ask me with regards to YouTube, and I'll answer. All right. Hi Alma. First, thank you for always taking out time to create fun content. Thank you for counting us worthy to be part of your family. The pleasure is all mine. My question is, please, what app do you use to edit your YouTube videos? Again, iMovie, especially the beginning of your vlogs that rewinds back. So for that effect, it is a green screen rewind effect. You can find that on Google. Just Google green screen rewind effect, and you would find so many of them on Google. You can just download one and place in your video, but always make sure to click on the green screen effect on your editing software so that there's no green screen showing. Do you get what I mean? So yeah, that's what I use for that. Secondly, how to know the type of music one can use on YouTube, because most times I might be done editing, then time to post I just see copyrighted. I have to edit again. You have to find copyright free music or royalty free music. You can find them on No Copyright Sounds on YouTube. You can find them on Epidemic Sounds, which is a proper website. That's what I use for my videos. All my music is from Epidemic Sound, but you pay like $15 a month to be subscribed. Yeah, so that's it. How are you really doing, Alma? Mentally, physically, and all areas, including financially? Thank you so much for this question. Oh my God, thank you so much. Mentally, I'm doing okay. I always just try to keep my mental health in check, okay, by not doing too much. But yeah, I'm doing okay mentally. Physically, I can do better. I have added some weight, and I'm thinking about how to tone down the weight gain and lose some pounds as well. It's always easy to gain weight, but very, very hard to lose it. So yeah, physically, I can be better. Financially, I can't complain. All right. What would you have been doing if you were not doing YouTube? I would have had a regular 9-to-5 job. I was doing one before I became a full-time content creator, so I feel like I would have had a 9-to-5 job. Basically, have you ever tried something before that actually did not go down as planned before starting as a content creator? Yeah, I've jumped on 1 or 2 trending things here on YouTube that I thought would go viral and did not go viral. But what did I do? I kept pushing, I kept creating content, and I stuck to just providing original content. Okay, so yeah, there are many times that I have, you know, attempted something and it didn't go down as planned. As a content creator, there are many times. There are even times that I will say, oh, today I'm going to film an outdoor content. I'll go out, I'll do this, I'll do that, and then something will happen that day, and either I will go, maybe I film and the video is crap, maybe I will film and the video is out of focus. So many things happen as a content creator. So yeah, that's it. You look beautiful. Thank you so much. What motivated you to start your YouTube channel, and what keeps you going? I said that before. I got motivated to start my YouTube channel because I wanted to share makeup tutorial videos, and what keeps me going right now is the money. Okay, how did you learn to make up so well? YouTube. I learned makeup on YouTube. Do you ever consider going into acting? No. I feel like, I don't know, nah, I haven't like properly acted like since I was in high school, so I don't think I will consider going into acting. I can only act in front of my camera when it's just me and my camera. So what you see on reels is just me and my camera, but when you tell me to go and act in front of a whole production team, I don't know about that. And then the very last question here, when are you accepting your brother's request for you and your family to relocate to the States? You can give me the tickets if you don't want to go. I don't know, to be honest. Like I told you guys before, relocating right now is not in my plans, okay? It's not in my plans for now, but he sent me tickets to go to America up and down 2 times a year, safe. I can be going. I don't mind that at all. But relocating right now, maybe not yet. All right guys, so that is it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. Hope I answered all your questions well. This Q&A was so much fun. Shout out to all of you who sent in questions. You guys are amazing. I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye.